Hello, I am Miss Megan and welcome to Lawrenceburg Public Library. Today we're going to be making C is for Cupcake. Are you ready? Let's go. So, in your craft pack, you will receive one big letter C. So this letter C will either be made out of this foam or it will be out of cardstock. Either one is going to work. So you have your big letter C, and you cut this out with scissors. Then you'll have 2 cherries. Can you see? 2 cherries. You can cut these out with scissors. You'll have 2 little icings to make the icing for the cupcake, and 2 little cake bases for your cupcakes. So when you get your craft pack, you'll cut all of these out with scissors. Now, I already have mine cut out for the video. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's all cut out. So we have our cupcake bases and our cupcake icing and our cherries, okay? So what we're gonna do first is take our big letter C and we're gonna take our cupcake base. We have to pick 2 places on the letter C where we want our cupcakes to be. I want my cupcake to be, I want it to be right here, and I also want one to go right here. These will be good spots. Okay, so let's do this one first. So you take your glue bottle. So I think liquid glue would work best, but yeah, you probably don't want to use a glue stick, okay? So you take this, you put some glue with the help of an adult. Okay, and then we go plop. Great, okay. Now let's get our icing. I want the pink icing for this one. So we only need a little bit of glue here on the edge so it can go on top of here. Okay, so let's add some glue. Okay, and then we turn it over and we press it into the cupcake base. And you can put it a little bit over top so it overlaps. Great. Now we need the cherry on top. Okay, so let's put, again, just a little bit on the edge because that's where it's going to overlap with the icing. And then we turn it over and plop. Great job. And this is how it looks. We're going to have to let it dry a little bit. Now we'll do our second cupcake, okay? And I said I wanted it right here. So we'll add glue to this one just like we did before. And then we'll stick it. Awesome. Now let's get our blue icing. Again, put some glue just on the edge. And then we flip it over and press. Okay, and then for the cherry on top, just a little bit of glue on the edge. And then we flip it over and plop. Voila! And there you have it. This is our C for Cupcake craft. Come pick up your craft pack at the Lawrenceburg Public Library. And thank you for joining us today. Bye!